Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by ensuring you have power and a working source. You want at least 20% battery and Bluetooth enabled on your device. Once done, go into Bluetooth settings, disconnect and forget the AirPods Max so pairing state clears. Next, power cycle the headphones to clear transient faults. Hold the noise control button and the digital crown together for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes. This soft reset often restores audio routing and fixes pairing glitches quickly. Now tackle deeper connectivity issues by updating software. Make sure your phone or computer runs the latest OS so the AirPods Max firmware can update. You should test audio with at least 2 different devices to isolate whether the problem is headphone-specific or source-specific. Try an Android phone or a Mac. If Bluetooth still fails, reset network settings on your phone to clear corrupted profiles, and as a diagnostic, connect wired with a Lightning to 3.5mm adapter to determine whether the driver or Bluetooth stack is at fault. To finish, perform a full factory reset if problems persist. Hold both the noise control and digital crown for more than 15 seconds until the LED cycles amber then white, then repair cleanly. Make sure to check stereo balance and accessibility audio settings on your device because a shifted balance can mute one side. If you still have no sound from one or both sides after a factory reset and testing wired input, contact Apple support for service. Hardware repairs resolve most persistent audio failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.